Yo!
Hey, what's up, guys?
What's going on, y'all? I'm Alberto.
I'm Cynthia.
And we are?
The AC Life 519.
Man, it's been a long day. Super long day.
He thinks.
So,
but we're gonna do a review on the snack crate. We got this actually before we went on our last vacation. So it's time to see what
this will be the
is.
last snack crate we get.
Yeah, because then we're gonna do like surprises, going to the store and just getting random things for each other to try. But
I already went, but you know, due to some circumstances, she wasn't able to do the reaction.
Open this one.
All I can say is that the wine was tasty.
Get your key.
I know my keys. Oh, our special guest Melanie has my keys. A ver, gracias, you gotta tomar it. Ten, mira. She's like, ooh, what just happened? Ooh.
New Zealand.
And this video is gonna be on New Zealand. One of the countries that I want to visit.
Here you go, Melanie.
Sometime in my life. Here's some info on the city and what we got to eat.
What?
See? You should bring Melanie in and see, and she'll get to choose what we get to eat first.
We're gonna put little stickers on her.
She's gonna take them off.
These things don't even peel.
I'm opening
There you
it
go,
right now,
Melanie.
y'all. As you can see,
You're gonna
still
represent
sealed.
New Zealand. Here you go.
I'm trying to get it open. Oh, and there goes a piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Boom. Let's go.
You think it's gonna be spicy? Spicy.
You have it, Melanie? Put it in there. Right here.
Ah.
Yeah.
I think first.
Yeah.
Thank you for not giving me the spicy chocolate. Yeah. That's my girl.
Ooh. Get some? Yeah.
It's just called Buzz. This thing's weird.
Is it?
Oh my god, this
See?
is melted.
See?
It's all melted.
Are they? Are they? Sherbet Fizz. It's by Willy Wonka. Are they?
This is just a milk chocolate marshmallow and caramel.
Oh, these are like the ropes that I like to eat here.
Try it. It's sticky. No, eat it. You eat it. No?
Mmm.
Look. No?
A little sour?
Well, this is a no-go for Melanie.
Okay. Mira.
Oh.
Really?
Melanie, why didn't you try mine? Remember, he's a grizzly bear. Is it good? Yum.
I think she liked this one, y'all.
Yum.
Bueno? Alright, on to the next one? Okay.
Spicy.
It's good.
Here. Did you try this? It's
No.
just
Okay.
okay. Here you go.
Let's dig into these Munchos. Spicy, tomato flavored cereal snacks.
Melanie, look.
See?
Look, Melanie. You got the chips.
Oh, they're not spicy. Here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Mmm. Yum. Are they good?
The windows?
Say yes?
Are they good?
Yes? No? Maybe?
She's like, I don't know.
You keep eating and let us know.
Try those blue. My sister's here too. That's who I'm passing all the stuff to try. She didn't want to be in the video. She's a little fugly.
They're okay. I see these pineapple things. What are those?
Yeah.
Pineapple lumps? Ooh.
These are Pascal's pineapple lumps with real fruit juice. It looks like a candy with some type of like covered in
Likes it. We're going to New Zealand?
Covered in chocolate.
You want to go on a trip? He's like, okay, now you take this. Now let me.
Ew, this looks. Oh, these are melted.
These are melted, yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't like that. It's weird. It's super weird. It's like a marshmallow, tastes like a pineapple though, and then it's covered in chocolate.
Melanie, it's not good. You're gonna like the pure sugar.
You like it?
I don't like the marshmallow flavors like that.
I think she likes it. That window?
Is it Melanie proof? Yeah? Oh, she got the whole bag.
I'm going in. How's that? Ooh.
Ooh. Can mom try some? Okay. She's like, oh.
Ahora qué más?
Grab something else. What else? What? What is it? It's chocolate?
Dile, Pabe, no.
Let's see. Milk chocolate.
No. Tiene que haber
It's got
primero.
like peanuts in it or something.
Let me see. This is called the Peanut Slab
This
Milk
is the thing
Chocolate
that
Bar.
sucks. Like, I'm not crazy about chocolate,
This is
and that's all they
this
put
is why I
in
like
it.
it. See?
Ooh. Blackberry? This seems really hard. I don't know if you should.
I don't know how to open this.
It's really hard. No, this paper. Maybe you, could you like suck on it?
Well, you gotta open it.
I will, obviously. You just gonna chill back, girl. I'm opening it. I'm okay. 1 minute.
She's like her godfather. Open it. Let's go in. Damn, boy. Let me get a bite of that first.
Is it good?
Bite.
Mmm.
¿Está bueno? Oh, this smells like Nutella.
Cute. I swear to God.
Oh, it's literally.
Bite it. Just suck it.
It is literally a block of chocolate.
Ugh. Want some more? You done with this one?
No, can't do that. It's literally like you grab.
She bit this bad boy.
It's like you feel like an ice
Look
cream
at her
full
little
of.
teeth mark.
It's like you feel like
Well, wait till you finish.
I don't know how to call it. Like a
Okay.
molding full of just peanuts, and then you pour chocolate over and let
Did
it
you finish
harden.
it though?
You wanna try that? Straight chocolate.
Ooh, what is that one?
Sí, a
What
ver.
is it?
Déjame abrirlo. Gracias. ¿Lo abro? ¿No? ¿O sí?
Yes.
¿Lo abro? Do you want me to open it?
Sí.
¿Sí? Let me get it.
She's like, oh,
This
you
guy's taking too long.
You playing with my food.
Mira, Melanie. Mira. Melanie?
Milkshakes? No. Vanilla milkshakes. Oh, I'm down with vanilla.
This is like I'm guessing this is like a Snickers bar or something.
Oh, I'm trying
It's layers of nougat,
No,
caramel covered in rich
Babe,
milk.
Wait. Okay.
Melanie, toma.
Mmm.
Toma.
Look up.
Mmm.
I agree, Melanie. It was really hot.
¿Está bueno?
No, Melanie.
Yeah, see how
It don't
she
taste
eats with her
anything.
mouth closed, good mannered. She must have taken after me.
I'm over here spitting food out.
Melanie
It don't
said
taste.
no.
Did you
Está bueno?
taste it?
No, I'm just gonna wait for that one.
Oh, it don't taste like a
frozen.
vanilla. It don't taste like vanilla milkshake at all.
Those milkshake ones are gross.
I don't know how I feel about these.
I like this. I can eat this whole bar, I think.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the chocolate.
It's like
What else,
it's like a
Melanie?
Three Musketeers with a little bit of caramel in it.
Look at this one. There's orange. Do you like orange? No? Okay. Forget orange.
Oh snap! Drop the chocolate because we found some sour candy, boy.
See, now
Twister
There you go.
singles,
Get rid.
sour, and we gonna make her try it. No. You see me? I was like, sour candy, and we gonna make her try it. No.
She's loving these
Probably
chips.
would, yeah.
What are these called?
Spicy tomato.
Munchos?
Oh,
We're gonna get
snap.
you some of those. Oh, snap.
It ain't sour at all. What a letdown.
Not sour?
At all.
At all?
Well, maybe I just built up a tolerance for sour.
Let me see.
You can toss that that way.
It's really not. It tastes like sweet tarts in the middle.
Hold on. I just noticed this bag of chips, ripple cut, chicken flavored potato chips.
We gonna have some chicken?
Yeah.
Melanie, look.
She said,
It literally tasted like
let
sweet
me-
tarts in the
she
middle.
said, let me try.
Mmm. Yummy. Smart girl, the only good thing. You wanna lean back?
New and improved. These taste like those they smell like those cup of noodles or those what are they
ramens?
called? Ramen noodles. Yeah, they smell like ramen noodles.
What's that? She's looking like, you want one? Let's see if they're good before you try it.
She's like, nah, these boys, these munchos though. Aren't those gross?
They taste like dog food.
She, nah, she took that one away so she could try the other one.
Oh,
Let me see.
I'm waiting to see her not like something.
I know.
asparagus. She was like, "Ah." Dang girl, you got two. She got two of them. Good? Yum. Or no? Good? Oh my god, you're so cute. Happy trying to break it.
I don't think she liked those.
No?
And last but not least, it's the Pixie Caramel Original. The long-lasting chew. And we've gone through this whole box with Melanie. Well, Melanie went through this whole box. Kind of looks like a turd.
I don't. Oh my god. You see, this is why, Melanie, you can't let men do anything. You want a bowl?
And instead of just caramel coated in chocolate.
I wish they wouldn't put so much chocolate in there for people that don't like
Oh,
chocolate.
it's really like strong chocolate. Very rich chocolate.
There you go. Put this there.
How many chips you have in here?
These stickers? Really?
Well, y'all, that was our snack crate, a quick video with our goddaughter Melanie. For me? For me?
Aw, that was nice.
Too bad I didn't like them. I can't.
Eat them. Say eat them. Eat them.
Man, this chocolate's gross.
Yeah,
But
there was nothing in this box that was like,
I honestly, there was not a single thing in this box that I liked, really.
yeah.
Maybe I won't be going to New Zealand, y'all.
Well, we can go.
No, I really want to go, but yeah, there really wasn't anything that I was like crazy over.
Nothing really was really that good. Nothing was kind of even like, oh, maybe it might be good. For somebody like me that don't like chocolate, it was pretty much all chocolate. So.
Yeah, everything had some chocolate in it.
But yeah.
Right, you didn't like it either, or Z?
Tell them
She said,
yes.
I think she just said you crazy.
These.
Everything was good.
Say yes. Yes.
¿Tan buenos?
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So that is going to be the end of the video.
That is the end of the video.
Last
Hope you guys
snack
liked it.
crate.
Yes. So moving forward, I think the new videos are gonna be doper because I don't know what I'm gonna be eating. She doesn't gonna know what she's gonna be eating.
Oh, I know what he's gonna be eating. He's gonna be eating the most nastiest stuff ever. What are we gonna? Yes. Say what is wrong with you?
But all right, y'all. I think she got a glimpse of the camera. I'm gonna count like to maybe 5, and then she's probably gonna want it.
Say bye-bye.
She's like, I'm eating, yo. I ain't done.
Would you look for more?
She goes, what's next? But all right, y'all. I'll see you guys. We see you guys Thursday. Probably next week. I'm gonna start a small, like every Wednesday video on just deck of cards that I get during the week or whatever I get in the mail or what she Cynthia surprises me with. For all y'all that like deck of cards. The collection's getting a little big, so it's almost time to show it off soon. But till then,
bye guys.
Later. Peace out, y'all. Dile bye.
If you only could see the face Jess just made.
Diles bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye.